I've been a fan of Alaska since my husband was in the team 2007 won a championship. My husband is Nick Velasco, and then he recently just got signed again, so I'm back in the Alaska team. Did you guys get those shirts made special just to inspire the team? Yes, my husband and Dorian Pena are partners. We do sports apparel. A little plug. All right, if any of Alaska fans want to get some of that sports apparel, how can they do it? Tweet me or Nick, and we'll be able to handle any of your orders. Quick message para sa mga fans ng Alaska and to the team, of course. Have faith, it's not over yet. We'll see you on Monday. Alright, thank you. Punta naman tayo sa mga fans ng Talk and Text, si Abner at si Tolit. Kayo rin matagal ng fans ng Talk and Text, ano?
Po, matagal na po.
Kinakabahan ba kayo na ang ganda ng laro ni Abueva ngayon?
Actually, hindi kasi pagdating sa Talk and Text talagang magaling sila.
Okay, bigyan mo naman isang malaking cheer ang Talk and Text para pakita niyo na true heart of a champion talaga kayo. Cheers! Talk and Text! Go, 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 go! Tapusin na natin yan! Gusto ko yung sana makita yung nag-cheer. No? Thank you very much. At magbabalik tayo with more of your PBA dito lang po sa Active.